Hello everyone. Today it's Wednesday, February 6th. I'm going to go over my trades I did today. I did 3 shorts today and they were all winners. So the first trade I did was MGNX. So this one I saw it was in the percent gainer list, and it was approaching this 32 area, which was prior resistance in 2018. So I was hoping that it will give a spike to short in, but I kind of missed it and it pulled back. And I tried to short, anticipating this cup and handle break, inverted cup and handle break here. I started small and then I added a few with my wrist towards high or towards high of day. I went in, it popped up a little bit and then it finally broke down, and then I kind of covered the rest here. It kind of acted as resistance after it broke, popped under over VWAP, and kind of faded for the rest of the day. My next trade I did was NBEV. So this one I saw on the daily that it was kind of pulling back, so it was a good short opportunity. It was gapping down a little bit from the day, so I saw this crack and then kind of bounce up, and I was anticipating this level to hold as resistance, so I went ahead and shorted here. It's pretty small, and as you can see on the 15-minute chart, this level was pretty key level here. So I went ahead and short that, but it ended up getting over it, and then I end up shorting again for this cup and handle break, this trend line, cup and handle, but it held. So I kind of held through this push. I could have took some off here, but then since I sized in really small here, the profit was also small, so I didn't take any profit. So I end up sizing in a little bit more here, and then I saw it push and push up higher, risking my max loss as the high of day. So I ended up shorting again here, and then it looked weak. It looked weak around this area, and then I saw it kind of, I think it was this downtrend here. Oh, okay. So I saw this little spike here, and I actually sized down a bit around that area, and then when I saw it, this kind of spike fell, I kind of added more shorts and held through it, and then it kind of became, so the support here became resistance when it cracked this, and then I kind of held it through, trying to learn to be more patient in my trade and let the winners run a bit. So I was kind of watching the 13 EMA to hold, and so I took some covers here and took some covers here, and then when it broke the 13 EMA here, I took it off there, and that was the $50 winners. My last trade was AMD. So what I saw here was a downtrend. So this downtrend line here which was pretty holding up pretty strong, and then this support that was holding up. So what happened was it was higher low, higher low, I mean lower high, lower high, and then I was shorting it here with my wrist off the 50 area, and then I saw this push kind of fell, which creates another lower high. So I sized it in a bit more, risking now this lower high, and then this little spike here I sized in a bit more, risking that little high around the 45 area. Since the highs became lower, I could size in more since my wrist will be tighter. So once this kind of cracked the 40 area, I kind of held through it, and I took some near red to green, because since that's where it will support a little bit. Kind of bounce up, act as resistance, and then kind of broke red. Took off here on the 20 to 25, and then I saw it, this resistance, red to green resistance, didn't hold, so I kind of just stopped my position there with the rest, and that was $100 winner. And then it started to kind of act as resistance again at the 40 area, 2340 area, and then kind of faded off. So AMD is potentially on watch for potentially lower. I believe it will be another leg down to the 2250 area. So I'll continue watching that and see if there's any opportunity. Cron did continue to fade. I don't think there's any real support until the 1415 area, so this could potentially continue to fade. So I'll continue to keep this on my watch. Okay. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.